everybody, what is up? Happy day 20 of Vlogmas. Chai tea latte. Decided to switch out the lid on my red cup to make it a little more festive for Christmas. Speaking of which, can you guys believe that Christmas is on Friday? But for today, I am just gonna be getting a good amount of stuff done around my house. Let me make sure my lighting stays okay and I'm not backlit, because you know, the lighting in my house is horrible, but it's fine. So yeah, today I just really need to get some stuff done around the house. I have a bunch of dishes from like literally 2 days that I need to take care of. I need to get a couple of presents wrapped tonight for us to celebrate Christmas with my mom tomorrow. And I also need to get a bunch of laundry done. So today's pretty much just gonna be a GYST video, as one of my favorite YouTubers calls it, or get your shit together. And yeah, so I'm going to hurry and eat my lunch that is just about ready, and then we will get my kitchen cleaned up, get some laundry started, and then we'll kind of go from there as far as what else I'm gonna end up getting done today. Quick puzzle update while I'm waiting for my noodles to finish cooking. I'm about halfway done with the puzzle. I got all of the city down here done. So now I just need to do like the mountains, Park City, and all of that good stuff up here that they have. I realized when I was putting this puzzle together that I actually did do this puzzle earlier in quarantine. For some reason I thought that I didn't do it, but apparently I have. So it's a lot of fun doing this puzzle again. I really enjoy dowdle puzzles. They're a lot of fun the first time you do them because they have a lot of Easter eggs that you can find, like this little jack-o'-lantern. I don't know if you guys can see that there on top of the building in the middle of winter. And then when you're putting them together subsequent times, it's a lot of fun just seeing, excuse me, at least in my opinion, all of the different things in the puzzle from the different areas we visited, since that's the puzzles I bought. All of this that you guys see is literally from the past 2 days. I feel like such a slob. There's just a bunch of dishes from dinner last night and from making cookies from a couple Vlogmases ago. And then I also am working on cleaning, or excuse the recycling. I'm cleaning off this shelf right here because it just got, I don't know why, but it got really dusty. I was looking at it one day and noticed that there's just like a bunch of dust and cat hair and a bunch of gross shit on it. So I wiped that off and I'm working on cleaning all of the dishes, so that's what's the rest in here. And rather than doing some b-roll of me cleaning, because I feel like I've done that a million times so far at this Vlogmas, I'm just gonna go ahead and that didn't work. There we go. So it feels so much better to have this clean and have all of my dishes done. I'm letting that soak for a little bit because I had a little bit of milk residue stuck on the inside there. And then I got my counter cleaned. I still have a couple of dishes that I need to take care of, but I was able to get my stove all cleaned off. And then these things just kind of live on the counter because I don't have a better home, with the exception of the brown sugar here, which is very hard. It needs to be dumped out, but I'm not quite sure how to get it out of this container. So any tips on that, let me know. As you guys can see, the container's cracked right here anyways. I don't know. I think it's on the inside because I don't feel any cracks on the outside. So I need to do a little bit of investigating and see if these are still airtight. And then we'll go from there on that. Now that I've got my kitchen all cleaned up, I figure I'll take a break for a little bit and open up my socks with you guys. So, ooh, it looks like we're getting another pair of tall socks. Goodness gracious, I'm destroying this freaking box. Like, just look at all of that. It's destroyed. Alright, so today, oh, they're gingerbread men. Oh my gosh, we've got gingerbread men and Christmas trees. And what does that say? Always merry. Oh, how cute. Actually, before I take a break, I'm going to go get a load of laundry started, so that way after I take my break, I can get that switched over. Quick little check there to make sure nothing got left in the dryer. Hope you guys liked my lovely messy laundry slash utility room. Wow, it looks even worse than it really is on camera. There's just too much clothes in there that haven't gotten washed. I guess blankets more accurately, not so much clothes. But now I'm gonna go ahead and take a little break before getting some presents wrapped, I think is what I'm gonna do next. My mom ended up calling me while I was taking a little break from getting stuff done, so that break ended up being a lot longer than I planned on. But I'm gonna go ahead and get her presents wrapped up and show you guys what all I got her, and then we'll see what time it is and go from there, because it's already just about 9 o'clock. There's a couple more things that I was wanting to get done today, but we'll see if I actually get them done or if I just procrastinate until tomorrow. So let's get this wrapping done. I'm still struggling to figure out what angles I like best with this camera. It doesn't have quite as wide of a lens as I would like it to, unfortunately. And I also can't switch out the lens. But other than that, it's a really great camera. Like, can't complain. I just struggle to find the right angle sometimes. So I figured I'd do a quick little what I got my mom for Christmas, and then we'll get it wrapped up, kind of like I said in the last video. Can you tell I'm starting to get tired? So like I showed you in my little Target haul, I got her the iron, the little chocolate orange, and then the sticker book. And then the other thing that she mentioned to me that she's been wanting, and was funnily enough one of the reasons she was sad that she had canceled her FabFitFun box, but it is, I don't really want to take it out of all this packaging too. I don't know if you guys can see the picture there, but it is a little vanity mirror. So it is a trifold mirror that has a light that dims, and then it has, on one of the sides, it has a 2x and a 3x zoom mirror. So I am very excited to give her that. It seems like a great little mirror, especially based off of the reviews. And then the other thing that I'm getting for her, I haven't bought it yet because it's something that we'll end up scheduling because it's a class that we'll go to, but one of the local shops here in Utah called Heartfelt Wall Hangings does classes, crafts, all sorts of fun stuff. I'm going to create a video on that for you guys next year, but I decided to get her and I a class to go do there. So they do, oh god, what do they call them? Girls' night out, breakfast and crafts, or cocktails and crafts are like the themes, so to speak, of their craft nights. So basically each month they do a different themed craft. You've got 2 options to pick from that's included as part of your class. And then you also get either dinner or breakfast depending on which one you do. And then you also get a $20 credit to get other crafts to do throughout their store. So they are a ton of fun. They have like the wooden block crafts, which I don't know if I've showed you guys. I don't think I've showed you guys any of those. But they're a lot of fun. You guys will see them a little bit later on. So if you guys are interested in seeing that video, make sure you subscribe. But I'm gonna go ahead and get her stuff wrapped up real quick. All of my mom's presents all wrapped up. I thought I had more on the roll of this paper than I did, so when I pulled it off I wasn't quite sure what I was gonna do, but I figured I would wrap up her orange, and then I got everything else wrapped up here, and then I decided to put her little gift certificate thingy-mabob whatever and her stickers in this little bag. So I am going to, I've been debating on wrapping up my brother-in-law's present. I think I'm just gonna get the rest of the wrapping done later on this week, just get all of that done at once. So since it is 9:30, I think I'm going to find myself a little something to eat since I got hungry while I was working on that, and then I'm gonna go to bed. So I think I'm just gonna go ahead and sign the vlog off here for tonight. So I feel like this was a lot shorter than some of my vlogs have been, and honestly a lot shorter than I intended it to be, but hey, that's Vlogmas for you. So I will see you guys tomorrow with a new video. Bye guys.